Hi everyone, it's Vicki with Vicki's Tigger Tales, and today I have another box swap. It's a Halloween box swap that I am hosting called Hallotheme. So, premise of the swap itself is to send your person a themed Halloween box. So, we had preferences like Haunted Mansion, villains, the Muppets for Halloween, Mickey and Minnie, Peanuts, all kinds of different themes that we were able to go ahead and choose from for our person. Person was like, send your top two. I happened to pick Haunted Mansion and then also my favorite villain, just to have kind of like a second option. So if it was harder to find things that were for Haunted Mansion, then they had that as like a backup that they can use to go ahead and get other things. So there were 6 channels that are participating in this particular swap, and for my first time I thought that was pretty good. Very small, intimate, so that was great, and it was really fun kind of like getting to know each other and having some great little convos back and forth with everyone in the chat. So I got my box yesterday, and I knew who everyone's person was because I assigned them. My person was Susan from Twinkling Beauty. So it was Susan and myself, Val from SingerFamilyAdventures, Maryjo from Rolling to Orlando, so Selena from Villain's Princess, and Ashley from Ashley's Grotto. That's all participated. And everyone's link will be down below so you can check everybody's channels out. So I got 2 boxes yesterday. I did cut open the first one because it was taped pretty well, so I will show you the boxes themselves really quick. So here's the first one, and I thought it was super cute. Like, I don't know where she found this spiderweb tissue paper, but that is awesome. And that one I'll save for last. I'm going to set that one aside. And then I cut this one open already, and it's got, everything's wrapped inside, and it's got my favorite, Maleficent, but it's Angelina Jolie as Maleficent on this particular sticker. There's other stickers inside, and then it says, Happy Halloween, Vicki. So, there is a card, and I will go ahead and get started with that one first. Let me rearrange a couple of things here on my little desk in front of me, so I have room to put things down on really quick. And so, here is the card. And it's got another sticker of Maleficent on it, Angelina as Maleficent on it. And let's see here. So I guess I shouldn't have told you who exactly was my person and let you find out after I read the card. But, spoiler alert. Whoops. Cute little card. It's got a jack-o'-lantern on the front of it and bats. I love that. It's Halloween's one of my favorite seasons. Actually, from Halloween on until the new year, it's one of my favorite seasons. So just consider that whole thing a season. It says, Hey Vicki, I was happy to get you for this swap and hope that you like everything that I picked out for you. Also wanted to say thank you for your friendship. It truly means the world. Can't wait to hang out with, can't wait to hang out with you. Much love, Susan. So Susan and I actually live in the same state, and we found out that we don't live too far away from each other. So we actually had the opportunity of meeting up last night, and I'll have to tell you, we had the time of our lives. Like, I had so much fun. I haven't laughed like that in a long time, and just chatting and hanging out and yeah, it was much needed, and I look forward to the next time we're going to be able to do that again. So I showed you the inside of the box. Something here that's right on top that I'm going to, it's the shape of it reminds me of ears. I can't wait to get into it, so I'm going to right now. And okay. All right, I'm so glad that she went with this theme. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. I have not, have I seen these? Were these on my wish list? Or did I not see them close enough? Like, these are incredible. Okay, so let me show you. These are Haunted Mansion ears. And check these out. These are park ears. This right here, this material is kind of like a pleather, if you will. It does have these like really cool metal details on them that stick up. So they're kind of like, they're not spikes, but they're kind of like raised up like that, which is super cool. Beautiful. Love this purple velvet bow with Madame Leota in the middle and some safety pins. And then on the back, it says Foolish Mortals and has a skeleton. These are by far some of my favorite ears. I love these. These are coming off, so these can go on. Okay, so the tag's pretty long. I'll have to cut that later, but see if we can kind of tuck that behind my head and so it's not so noticeable. Yes, definitely. Those are gorgeous. I love that color purple. This in the middle, love that color. So, okay. There's a few, oh, okay. We were allowed to put like snacks and stuff like that on there as well. I didn't really have any preferences other than a minimum for what you would spend, other than the theme part itself. So, like I didn't say you had to put a Funko, you had to put a Gym Shore, you had to put a Loungefly. I didn't have any of that. I wanted really just to have that person create a box for their person based on what they saw on their Elfster and the theme that they picked. So, these are some of my favorites. I love these peanut M&Ms. Very, very good. Okay. Next, let's see here. Okay. I had to put a couple of things to the side. So let me see here. Where is my knife? Just to make sure that I have everything opened correctly. All right. So I got this next one. Feels like a wearable. And yes, so definitely a wearable and perfect timing too. We are actually getting ready to go to the parks, and you know, we always you have to wear masks still on the inside, I believe. So when you're inside like a ride or whatever the case may be. Oh, this is not going to stay. So let's see if I can tuck that back a little bit. And I got a couple of masks, and these are super cool. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so first one. This is cool. The first one, it says, "Forget the castle. I'm here for the Haunted Mansion." That's awesome. So it's the hitchhiking ghosts, and I'll just open this up a little bit. And it's got the nice little metal thing on the top, so you can put it to your nose. And then it also has one of these filters and a little pocket on the inside for it. So awesome mask. I love these kind. These are some of my favorites. And then this little packet. And oh my goodness. Oh, this isn't a mask. This is a pair of socks. This is cool. Okay, hello. Do I blend? This is so cool. I love these. These are Haunted Mansion. The wallpaper is one of my favorite like aesthetics. Look at these. These are spectacular. I'm gonna be so like Haunted Mansion decked out for sure. Ears, socks, mask. Okay, what else can we do? What else can we do? Let's see. Okay. All right, let's see. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. I didn't even know this existed. This is super cool. Okay, so this is the Madame Leota Disney key. That is, I'm trying to get no glare. That is gorgeous. Look at her in the middle of the key right here. Love that. And the colors, that purple is so pretty. And then her teal is one of my favorites, and it's got the Haunted Mansion listed on it. I'll take it out of the box because, like most things, I am an out-of-the-box collector for pretty much everything. So let's see if I can get this opened. Where is Thor? Here is Thor. Found him. Thor is my knife. and does the job very well. So let's see here. Okay. I got it out enough to be able to at least show you with it's still in the packet, but isn't that cool? I love that. Love that purple. That is absolutely my favorite color. So, alrighty. Okay, next. There's a 1, 2, like 3 more in here, and then I have that one other one. So let's go with this one. Oh, I'm sitting there not even doing that, so you guys can see. Oh my God, I've always wanted this. Oh yes. Okay. These are so cool. I have seen other people have it. Check it out. Listen. Yes, these are so cool. I love this. I have seen other people get this in swap boxes or whatever. And let's turn this off so it's not so distracting. So that is super cool. I am definitely gonna, that'll be up here like in the rest of my little Haunted Mansion section right here. So keep an eye out for that. That is really super cool. Okay, next, here we go. Another spider web. Welcome to my spider web. Oh, this feels like a wallet. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is awesome. Okay. Yes, this is one of my favorites. It's a Loungefly wallet. I love the big ones, the big wallets, the large, like, I mean, sometimes they don't fit very well in the backpacks themselves, but I'll make it work. But check out my girl, Maleficent. Oh, this is beautiful. I love this. So cool. Susan, you are killing it, girl. I love this. So here is the back with her beautiful purple and black. And then look at those eyes. They're all embroidered and so menacing, but so pretty. And of course, gotta have the horns. And then it's a zip around, so which is one of my favorite. I love things to be secure, so it's got the black hardware. On the inside, it's got a black coin purse. Coin purse rather. And then on the inside, there's this print right here. So super cool. It's got how many card slots? 6 card slots, and then a section for like cash. And then on the other side, there's another 6 as well. So super awesome. I love this. This is perfect. Susan. Wow. Okay. Last one in here. Maybe. Yeah, last one in here. Okay, let's set the box down over here. I've got this one left and this one left. I think I'm going to go with the big one next. Okay, big one next. Oh. Okay, well, we had a little giggle about this, and now I know, yeah. So she had asked me if I had this, and I had to tell her the little bit of story about what happened. Was I actually purchased this, and it's this is totally my fault for sure, because I forgot to take it off my wish list. So, what happened was I purchased this for another swap, and then looked at one of the videos that I was gifting to my person, and saw that they had it in their background, so I'm like, oh, darn it. But it is the Haunted Mansion Funko with the butler, and I love this. So this one is going to stay with me. Whenever I get a duplicate of anything, I always keep it because if it's a gift from somebody, that means more to me, that they put that kind of thought into, something that they're doing for me. So that will always be kept. And then if I purchase something, of course, it'll go like into a giveaway, or it'll go into maybe another box swap, or whatever the case may be. Someone just may end up having it with magic mail for whatever reason. So yeah, this I'm sorry, Susan. I'm really sorry. But yeah, that's what happened is I had purchased it for somebody else, and I try to be really good about not purchasing anything when I know that I have swaps coming, because you never know. And I ended up keeping it because of the fact that I saw it, and even this other person that I had a swap with had it as well. So I'm like, God, I could have just given it to her, but both of them had it. So anyway, that's the story about that. This is the last one. Best for last. Let's see here. Okay, it's a little on the heavy side, so I'm thinking that it might be a mug, and I absolutely love mugs. Love, love, love them. Like, I can't even say. My collection is actually getting quite big, and I am not complaining about that. I don't hate that at all. So, ooh, this looks interesting. Oh, cool. Oh, neat. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, this is different. I love this. My big thing with when I have things or get or receive things is I love to see things that I've not seen before. And this is something I definitely have not seen before. And it is also Haunted Mansion themed. And it says, let's see here. Not a... And it's because I'm not wearing my glasses right now, but this is super cool. It's got, okay, so it's the mug, and it's a teal, and I love the color. It's absolutely beautiful. But look at the spoon. It is like a shovel. That is so super cool. I love that. That is very unique. I think this is super cool. So it says not a something haunting person. I'm going to hold it close so you guys can see it. And it's just because I can't see it because there's a glare over here. I have my window open, which I probably should have closed before I started filming. There's a lot of natural daylight coming in. If you can't tell, the lighting's a little bit different than normal. But yeah, this is super cool. I love this. This is the perfect size for me too, for when I like to drink tea, in the evenings. This is the perfect size, like, teacup for me. This was an awesome swap, an awesome box. I loved everything. I want you to comment down below what your themed box would be for Halloween. Would it be villains? Would it be Haunted Mansion? Would it be Nightmare Before Christmas? Would it be, a combo of one or the other? Like this is Haunted Mansion and a little bit of Maleficent. If you want to add a villain in there, tell me who that would be. Thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate you guys, and you are always so kind and so generous with your comments. Thank you so much for always being so supportive. I love you guys to the moon and back.